One of the most important lessons that we can learn is the ability for us to compress time, to be able to achieve more in less time instead of less in more time. Life is basically segments of time, and how you utilize those segments will determine basically what those segments will basically be allowing us to do with our time. How we're gonna enjoy or not so much enjoy our time, how much freedom and space and choices we're gonna have every single day based on those decisions, based on those habits. So let me just give you an idea and an example that will really amplify the importance of how we view urgency. That was a great lesson. I was on a call and they were talking about earning 1 million. Doesn't matter. $1 million, 1 million pounds, 1 million euros, 1 million in your currency. And then they ask, how much did you make this past year for the whole year? And the person says 50,000. So they wrote under 1 million, 50,000. And they draw the line and they say, okay, so your ignorance is costing you 950,000 per year because you don't know yet how to make 1 million per year. What a great lesson. So I want you to think with this lesson, how much it costing me my own ignorance and what I'm doing to correct this misfortune that it's costing me so much. Because if there are other people making 1 million a year, making 1 million a quarter, making 1 million a month, making 1 million a week, making 1 million a day, you know there are people that are making 1 million an hour? Just Google it and you'll be blown away. Now, the interesting part is they have the same 24 hours just like every one of us. They just have figured out how to compress time, how to use automation to bless themselves and everyone around them by providing basically solutions for many, many, many more people than actually they can do with doing less, basically, with the time that they have every single day. So if this is valuable for you, just think, what is the price of your own ignorance and how you can correct it? And if you need an idea, if you need help, if you need a solution how to compress time and to be able to achieve what some people are achieving in a year, for you to achieve it within a month, what people are achieving within a month, how you can achieve it within a day or a week. If you need help with this, just drop me a message and connect. I'll help you correct everything you need to correct so I can see you more often at the bank, at your own bank, cashing out. Have an amazing day and I wish you only the very best.